She's back or whatever. Your queen is back. She's back. I know you missed her. So I thought I would, bring. I don't know where I was going with that. But, anyways, what's that good? Anyways, yes, you can see today the video is a triple. Okay, I had to make sure that was 3. I was like, 3. 3. 3. Yeah, today's a triple hitter. I'm going to give you a haul, a review, and a makeup tutorial. Yes, 3 in 1. 3 in 1. Who out here doing that? I'm sure other people are doing that too, so it's not like I'm doing anything revolutionary, but still. Hi, how are you? How's the kids? Good? All right. Yeah, I'm going to start off with the Ulta haul to keep this going. The iconic orange bag. So, that's not from Ulta. I'm going to start with this e.l.f. sponge. I really like this. I have one right here that I'm going to be using for my foundation. I really do like this e.l.f. sponge. It's only like $4 or $5. It's really cheap, really inexpensive. That means the same thing. Okay. But I highly recommend it. It's actually better than the Real Techniques and what's the other one called? Beauty Blender. So definitely get one of these. You can get it from Target, Walmart, and obviously Ulta. And then I just re-upped on my NYX eyeshadow base. I get the tan colored one. And then I found this. This is by the company Flower. It's their Warrior Glitter Shadow. Why is my ear so itchy? Okay, it's in the color Poison. This is super pretty. It didn't want to come out. So yeah, it's a purple base, I believe, and it has blue, pink, and I think gold glitter in it. Like, you're not gonna be able to see it, but you can see that reflex of the blue shift that it has. So really pretty. Can't wait to use this. And I did play around with this already, because I tried to film this video last weekend and the makeup turned out a hot mess. I will put up pictures, but I don't want to embarrass myself any more than I already do, so we won't include evidence. Yeah. So moving on to the brushes, because it seems like I can't go to Ulta without picking up some Morphe brushes. But I saw that Morphe had a particular eyeshadow brush that I've been wanting. This is the M562. It's a really tiny blending brush. It goes so perfect for like your crease. The only thing about it is I wish like it didn't flare out so much. Like, I wish it was a little more tapered. But other than that, this is the type of brush I've been looking for. Especially when you're doing colorful looks and you're doing like a cut crease and you don't want to use this same brush for 2 other colors. So that's why I bought 4 of these bad boys. So here they are. That's what they look like. Super excited to have these. And then the last 2 brushes that I bought are the M431 Precision Pencil. Oh, wait. I didn't tell y'all what this is. It's the M562 Tiny Crease Blender Brush. So that's what this is. A tiny crease blender brush. And this is the M431 Precision Pencil Crease Brush. This is good for like your inner corner, your brow bone, smoking out your lash line, or help to blend out like a cut crease or whatever. Really versatile brush. And then what you're all here for is... Can we see her? Can we see her? Oh. So pretty. But yes, this is the... What is it called? What's the name of the palette? Oh, it just says her name. Oh, I thought it was called Always for... Read, Sean, read. But yes, this is the Alyssa Edwards palette in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. That's the front, and this is the back. So pretty. And this is actually my first, oh, where's the brush? It's actually my first Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is the only one that really sparked my interest. The Riviera, is it Riviera? Oh, Riviera. Let me stop. The Riviera palette is pretty, but I like this one more, so I opted for this one. And because I love Alyssa. And can I say something? So I've been watching reviews for this palette, and some people that are doing the reviews, they'll be like, "Oh, I'm using the HOE or the HO eyeshadow or the the BBDC or the DDG." Like, I don't know what those mean. I'm like, okay, so you claim that you're a Alyssa fan, that you love RuPaul and you watch RuPaul's Drag Race, but you don't know the acronyms. You don't know what they mean. How dare you? How dare you? You're a fake fan, okay? Okay, just like you can be fake woke, you're a fake fan, okay? Because HOE, House of Edwards, like, come on. And what was it? BBDC is Beyond Belief Dance Company. Like, girl. But anyway, there went the brush. Yeah, here's a close-up of the palette. Super pretty. Oh my goodness. So you have some mattes and metallics and shimmers. Super gorgeous. And I used Texas Made, Believe It, Inspire, and once I have my foundation and everything on, I will be using Brick Road for like a little inner corner highlight. So yes, on to the tutorial. It's a really simple look. All I did was a cut crease. Y'all seen me do cut creases before. So just a really pretty gold pipple. What's a pipple? A pipple. Like a pimple and a pipple. Okay. Anyway, so yeah. Pink, purple, gold. Really simple. And then, like I said, I'm going to add the yellow on the inner corner once I'm done with the foundation. So let me clean up my area. And I shall be right back to do the makeup. A lot is going on, and a lot has happened since you just saw. We're moving on. But yeah, so this look is inspired by Shar Barker. I believe that's how you pronounce her name on Instagram. Excuse my busted phone case. Yes, I will be getting a new one when, who knows. But yeah, this is the look. Super pretty. Obviously, I changed up the look because I didn't want to do the exact same thing. The look is pretty, but I want to put my thing on it, flip it, and reverse it. You know what I'm saying? So, okay, reviewing the palette. Okay, so all of the eyeshadows blended amazing. They blended out together. They blended like out as in like like in the crease, and then they blended well together. Pink and the purple, the Texas Made and Dream It. That's these two right here. Oh, wait, no, not Texas Made. No, not Dream It. Sorry, Texas Made and Believe. So Texas Made and Believe right here. Blended absolutely amazing together. But yes, the palette, do I think you need this palette? No. I mean, we all have colors like these by now. If you love makeup and you have a, huge makeup collection, is it something you need to run out and go get? Girl, no. But if you, love Alyssa and obviously want to support her, heck yeah, get the palette. I do like this palette. I love how you can go from neutral to drag to, whatever. This is a butterfly. Y'all know that, right? I hope we can all tell this is a butterfly. I hope so. I also, O'Reilly. Wait, are they gonna copyright me? No. You thought you was gonna give me O'Reilly's, but you're not. Anyways, for the gold, I forgot to say I used Inspire. It wasn't, it's not my favorite gold eyeshadow to use. It's a very, very muted champagne light gold color. I thought it was going to be a little bit more pigmented on my eye, but it wasn't. So I had to wet my brush with a little bit of water, mix it around, and then apply it. It applied a lot better and a little bit bolder. But like on its own, just with the eyeshadow base and the eyeshadow, it was alright. It wasn't my favorite eyeshadow to use for this look. It wasn't as intense as I normally like my golds. But overall, I do like the palette. I do think you're going to get a lot of use out of it if you love colorful makeup. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on all my social media. And you know what's coming. You already know what's coming. You know. You gotta drink your water and take your vitamins.